not be accommodated for the reasons that over and above the petitioner there are number of more meritorious candidates, and therefore he had no right as such over and above them for appointment. Stop. The argument of the state and the private respondents is that the petitioner had taken part in the process and the waiting list candidates had also been appointed who are not party, and respondent number 3 was not the last candidate, and there were other candidates who also got more than 20 marks in the interview, and complete necessary parties have not been implemented, and on pick and choose method the private respondents have been implemented. Stop. There were more than 42 candidates over and above the petitioner, and therefore the petitioner had no vested right for appointment. Stop. State Council also vehemently submitted that the writ petition was only filed in the year 2011, and therefore the records were decisive for the petitioner. On the other hand, has rightly submitted that the petitioner was agitating for his grievance right from August 2010. Once the result was declared, to get the required information and the same being withheld, he had to contest to the level of the Commission under the RTI Act 2005 to get the information, and had approached this court at the earliest once the order had been passed on 3/8/2011, whereby he had inspected the record. Stop. There is no quarrel with the proposition that all selected candidates should have been implemented so that they would be given a change to oppose the writ petition and give way in case the petitioner was to be appointed against them, or in case the selection is to be set aside. Stop. However, in view of the fact that there are 60 vacant seats available as per the affidavit, and keeping in view the above interim orders passed, this court is of the view that the petitioner is entitled for consideration to the said post, having been agitating for his grievances right from the year 2010. Stop. The arbitrariness in awarding the marks of interview is apparent, as would be clear from the following chart, which would demonstrate how, in spite of the academic marks obtained. Stop.